Right, I'm at Waterside Pool, which was on ride. Hovercraft has just gone out, and I usually get. That's what I come here on a hovercraft. So I'll be going home on a hovercraft on Friday. So let's see who's here today. See, I mean, last time I come here was probably about 7 or 8 months ago, and I got attacked, to be honest with you. Let's go this way, because what I'm trying to do, just sort of like, I don't want to be filming people, I can help it. And I just saw someone coming this way, so let's see who's here. Right, let's cut out at the moment. So I'm a little bit nearer. So I don't know what I'm going to find here today. How many birds? Like I say, last time I come here, I got completely attacked by birds. There's loads of Canadian geese here, that's all, for sure, but I don't know what we're going to find here today. So look, there's quite a few birds here. I call it Bird World. So I'm going to call this one the Return to Bird World. He's chasing a duck. He's chasing a duck. The seagull chasing a duck. So I'm going to sit over here and see how many birds I can attract. So it's quite cold, but at least it's not raining. The sun's not out. Oh look, I love those little moorhens. I mean, it could be a coot. I mean, it'll probably run away from me. They're so shy. I love those birds. I'm going to hope that it gets close to me. Oh look, what's that, crow? See, bird action going on here already. That's a female duck. So it's crows drinking water. So I've put my camera down, but look, it's got broken, well, it's got a feather coming out, that's all I think. The wing. So let's sit here and see if we can attract any of these birds. Just set my camera here for a minute. And get my food out so you can see what's going on. Right, there are some birds coming towards me. Oh, and there's I'll film it in a minute. I think it's a shag. I'll show you in a minute. Here we go. Here we go. Party time. Crow's still there. So what I'm looking at is this bird here. Look at it. They're jumping out. They're jumping out. But look, I'll show you what bird I mean. So I'm sort of like just sat down and getting into things here. Look at that bird there. So next to a seagull over there. I think that's a shag. Beautiful, isn't it? I've been close to one of them. They look like penguins. They've got really big feet. So let's get close to these ducks, see what's going on here. Pigeons here too. Beautiful pigeons. A bit different to the pigeons that I was on the pier with just now. Let's see if they can get a bit closer to me. Look, crows here. A crow. Someone walking past there. See if the crow might pick up nuts, I don't know. Yeah, he's got a nut in his mouth. He don't know what to wear. Don't think he's going to eat it. Canadian geese come out. There's more ducks coming on the way. Look at that crow. He's sitting with that shag now. I can hear church bells. He's having a wash. The crow's in the pond. He wants to be a duck. There's a bit of fighting going on here. Oh, it's not the same. A little more come flying in. Well, there's a lot of birds down there, look. Hundreds of them. Right down the far end there. Oh, look, more geese coming in. That one flying over there. There's a fight. A duck fight. Get back here. Crow there, or was it a rook? I'm not sure. Not sure. Looks like a bit like a rook. Wait, get here. Oh, look at all these birds there, look. There's a lot of birds there, isn't there? So we've got a shag. We've got mallard ducks, quite a few of those. Pigeons. Swans coming in. Swans coming in to join the bird party. The bird world bird party. That's what I call it. Come here. That one looks like it's got a limp. Looks like it's a bit injured, that one. So you've got a rook with a feather hanging out. Here's the, oh my goodness. Ouch! Ouch! They've got sharp beaks. They're not sharp, but they got strong jaw. I need to get some more pigeon food. Sorry, bird food out. Get out of it. Alright, get. He's attacking me. He's attacking me. I knew I was going to get attacked. Look at him. I think he can smell it. Look. he's out on himself. That one's got the feathers up like that. What a noise. Look at the tongues on them. Look at the tongue. Look. Oh look, the pigeons are here. White pigeon, beautiful one. Look at that mallard, that duck there, purple feathers. Got purple feathers on the side. Kind of like two-tone, aren't they? Kind of like turn blues sometimes. So this one's helping itself. He's stealing the bag. Get me that bag back. Right. A few pigeons here. Beautiful, isn't he, that pigeon? Crows up there looking at me. Hey, look at that one there, look. Oh look, you got a black-headed gull over there now, next to that shag. I want the shag to come over here. And I want the coots to come over, or whatever, the moorhens. But they're a bit shy, unfortunately. Oh, look at that beautiful duck there. Never seen that before. Got a white dot on the... That one's got like reddy brown body. Bit different, isn't it? There are quite a few pigeons here now, look, and that one's just sitting there, sitting duck. Come on. Naughty. Did you see that? He nearly trod on the pigeon. Well, let's get a few nuts out for these pigeons. Beautiful, isn't it? I love it because birds, they mingle, they... Look, there's so many different birds here. You've got those two rooks. Let's throw a nut at them. See, he's getting a nut. Seagulls are hanging over there with that moorhen. I want that moorhen to come near me. Look, that little island's getting full of birds now. Oh, more swans are coming. That duck's just sitting there. He's struggling, that duck, isn't he? He's injured. Bad leg. So all the other swans are coming. See him running. Look there. They noisy, aren't they? Look, they're running. He's running out that pigeon. And that brown one, that's beautiful, isn't it? That's beautiful. Coco. I'm going to call that one Coco. Coco the pigeon. Come here. The other swan's going to come out, I reckon. Six swans here now. I can't throw them out because they land on their heads, you know. I don't want to get these in their eyes. See them going. So there's lots of birds here, crows or whatever. Got plenty of food here. I mean, I think last time I come here there was more Canadian geese. There's not many Canadian geese here today. They're a bit shy, aren't they? Like I say, they don't really know me yet. I love being here. It's really quite peaceful. I'm surprised there's not many more people here, really. I think it's like about 12 o'clock at the moment. Going on. Seagulls don't like nuts, luckily. Those are black-headed gulls or terns. That one's a black-headed. Let's look at that one again on that island. Beautiful shag there. Quite rare birds, really. And we've got a black-headed, black-winged gull there. Right next to it. Maybe they're having chicks together. Maybe they're a family. And there are quite a lot of different birds here, isn't there? Got 3 swans out now. That one's sitting down. yeah, at the bag. Wagging its tail. They don't like each other, those two, do they? That one got his wings up. Get here. Get here. Nasty swan. Nasty swan. Here we go. Huge feet they got, haven't they? These swans, look at them. Claws. And huge. Like dinosaur feet. Like snakes. Weird, aren't they? And their knees bend the other way to ours, I think. Well, some birds do, maybe these don't, actually. I think storks do, don't they? Look at that. Look how nasty. Nasty, that one, isn't it? Right, let's get some more nuts out for these pigeons. You missed that. I didn't, I saw it, but you did. These swans do attack. They do go for the pigeons sometimes. So the pigeons have got to be careful. They got to respect the bigger swans. Look, there's the pigeons gone. See, they went because the seagull come along, I think. I might be back. Beautiful, eh? I think they're going to be back. They like it here. There you go, they're all back. He's got like brownie wings, can you see? They're like flip-flops, flip-flop feet. They're always nudging each other, aren't they? He's got like dye, pink dye. Got red wings, pink wings. Don't know if they like nuts. I'm not sure if swans like nuts or not. Beautiful, isn't it though? Look at that. How beautiful is that? Very lovely. He's trying to impress me, I think. Yeah, very nice. There's Coco. Coco the pigeon. Oh, look at these three racing towards me. Having a race. That one looks like Julie, look at her neck. Look at that one's neck. Get here, what are you doing? There are two males after one. That's funny. That's funny. You can't get away from them. Crow or rook. Can't work out. I think it's a rook. Still there. And that one's standing there. Do love that duck. Beautiful, isn't it? Look. Not coming out for any food though, is it? Let's get a bit closer to that duck for a minute. Look, they're going again. Come back here. Oh, that duck's beautiful, isn't it? Little brown duck. So yeah, I'm pleased to be back here. I'm having a lovely holiday. Thanks for your comments and all that as well. I will try to catch up with them, but I'm just on holiday at the moment. I've been quite busy, really. All that motorbike scared them off. Look at that. They are beautiful, aren't they? When they're flying. Pigeons, that's pigeons and seagulls, I think, together. Look there. Sounds like those two are arguing over there. Get back down here. They're coming back. So yeah, I'm pleased to be back here. It's a lovely, well, it's not a sunny day today, but it's still a lovely day. Every day is a lovely day, really, isn't it? Yeah, my camera cut off there, so I have to join these together. Beautiful, isn't it? Got the yellow mark on both sides, this one, if you have a look. Don't know because he's dirty or not. Yeah, I'm actually eating off my hand now. They're starting to trust me. Now, come here again before I go. I think they'll recognise me next time. That one looks like Legging. Hello, Legging. What are you doing over there? That's one there. It's got more reddy feet. I don't know why it's got like red, like pink dye on each side of the wings. I don't know. And on the tail a little bit. I don't know whether that's natural or not. But this one's got like pinkish feet and these two got black feet. Oh, be quiet! Shut up! Be quiet! Be quiet! Look at him, look crazy. I think if I was a bird, I wouldn't want, out of all these, I'd be a swan. I think I'd rather be a pigeon. Look at them, they go crazy. Crazy birds. Come on, Legging. Get up here. Get on my lap. Look at that beautiful one there. It's different, isn't it? What a beautiful place to be. Look, come on again. Keep an eye on the pigeons here. I expect they'll be back. And coming this way. Good landing, good landing. They're back, the pigeons are back. Come on, Legging, up there. There's two white pigeons here now. One's getting chased. Oh, they have eaten a lot. Come on, Coco. That pigeons. Oh, what noise. Three white pigeons. This one looks a bit like Lee. Come here, Lee. Oh, there you go again. I love the sound of birds. I don't really like the sound of motorbikes. Sorry. Get back here now. You never see pigeons on trees, do you? You see wood pigeons on trees, but not. I've never seen racing pigeons or homing pigeons. Get back here now. Here they come. I was chasing that one. Yeah, but he's still chasing that one there. He's chasing that white one there. Yeah, he's pecking the back. Get back here. He's still chasing. He's still chasing that. Oh, look at that one there. Beautiful, isn't it? It's got like brown, white, purple, green, grey. Beautiful. Get here, all of you. Get here. Right. I think they've had enough. They've nearly eaten all my food, believe it or not. Run out of nuts. But like I say, there's a pet shop that I went to, and they're closing down. Like a lot of shops are in this country at the moment. They're struggling, and they're selling all their food and things half price. So I can get some cheap nuts. And look, he's still out. I think it's the same one, I'm not sure. But well, I hope you enjoyed that, because I did. I've got to pack up and go now. Someone's coming anyway and they're going to fly off or whatever. So have a good day. Love all birds. Be happy.